brand new 100% commission system. Free. Can I show you how to start making 50, 500, 1500, 3500, and even $5,000 using this one simple page. Discover the fastest and easiest way to make life-changing money without having to sell. So you just put your name, your best email, and optionally enter your phone number for a free bonus. Okay? Free bonus. It sounds pretty good, right? So let's check this out and why you should listen to me. If you're in affiliate marketing, network marketing, digital marketing, or you're just trying to make a side hustle and make money online. So I'm in Google, which is the harder of the two, YouTube and Google, to rank, right? And I'm going to look for the high ticket lifestyle pay plan, which is my newest video that I'm working on right now. And as you see, there's the high ticket lifestyle, so it finds it. But then, number one video link is me, the YouTube video from 4 days ago. And there's another, this is my blog, okay? So let me see if there's anything else. The number 2, 1 and 2 non-AI things or ads are me, okay? Both of these are me, my network, my blog and my YouTube video, okay? And I'll show you the YouTube video results in just a bit, okay? So stay with me to the end, because you can do this with any company, okay? But why wouldn't you want to make all the, not just measly 10 or 20, 30, 40% commissions, but 100% of $50, $500, $1,500, $3,500, and even $5,000. And yes, you could start with $50, and from production alone, bring in a $5,000 diamond sale. And my granddaughter's here. So out of production alone, you could take a $50 one-time plus the admin fee, right? And make up to $5,000 diamond sales. So you get $50, $500, $1,500, $3,500, $5,000 from just referring a $5,000 member, okay? Obviously, that is the best case scenario. It may take you may get a $500, then you may get a $1,500, then you may get a $3,500, and then the $5,000. Each time you get upgraded from the roll-ups, okay? Because these go to the system admin, and then you're qualified for 50 or 500. You're qualified 50, 500, or 1500. And then you're qualified 50, 500, 1500, or 3500. And then 5,000, okay? But if you get an extreme case, because it's possible, and refer a $5,000 member, boom, you're already making all of this, okay? 100% commissions from a one-time investment. How does that sound, okay? But again, you got to stay to me to the end for more information, okay? And this is the High Ticket Lifestyle Review 2026, 4 Brutal Profit Secrets, okay? Stop trading your time away from $20 commissions. The arithmetic of low-ticket affiliate marketing is a slow bleed designed to keep you trapped on a digital treadmill until your legs give out. You already know that chasing crumbs will never buy back your time or get you out of the 9-to-5 trap. Most people stay exhausted because they are building on rented land, playing a rigged game where corporate platforms take the lion's share of the revenue while you carry 100% of the operating burden. The High Ticket Lifestyle Review 2026 shatters those comforting illusions by exposing the exact mechanics required to secure $50 to $5,000 direct pay commissions, including how production-based mechanics allow you to climb straight to the top tier from a modest $50 entry. That is unique and totally life-changing, okay? Understanding the brutal truth about digital leverage is the only way to stop running your time and start building a real sovereign asset that protects your family tree. Now, why am I reading this blog? Okay, you already saw my results on Google, and you will see my results on YouTube, okay? So obviously this works, okay? In 2026 and beyond, search engines, AI, are very smart with SEO, okay? They're listening to what you say, and they're also reading what you say. So why wouldn't you want to take one thing and get multiple results from it? That is how, again, I showed you, I'm ranking number 1 on YouTube and number 2 from my blog, on the Badass Network, okay? For the same content, okay? Work smart, not hard, okay? Does that make sense? Work smart, not hard. And let me show you this real quick. okay, you can work just as hard, if not harder, for a $20 commission as you can from a $3,500 commission. The difference is one of these can pay all your bills. Okay, one of these is a lot more than some people make. Okay, $3,500 instantly. You don't have to wait 2 weeks to get paid. You get paid immediately to whatever payment method you want. And you can, again, start at $50, refer a $5,000 sale. That's more than $3,500, and be qualified for everything, 100% of everything. But it takes 175 $20 commissions to equal one $3,500 sale. Okay, so 1 or 2 of these a month and you are good. Okay, that is potentially ready to quit your job. Okay, I'm not giving you advice, I'm just saying it's possible. Okay, now High Ticket Lifestyle Review 2026, why low ticket math fails. Now let's look closely at why low ticket affiliate marketing fails 98% of the people who try it. Chasing $20 sales means you have to constantly hunt for hundreds of buyers just to cover your basic operating expenses every single month. It requires the same amount of marketing energy, copyright skill, and traffic generation effort to sell a $20 digital info product as it does to close a $5,000 high ticket asset. I already showed you the math. The math is fundamentally broken. You are trading your precious life forces for spare change while your manners laugh all the way to the bank. I'm just a messenger. When your compensation ranges from $50 apprentices entries all the way up to $5,000 diamond strikes per transaction, your entire operational stress drops dramatically. You no longer need a massive army of tire tickers. You just need a precise, highly optimized flow of qualified buyers who respect elite positioning. And why is this so amazing? Okay, I'm going to show you. Get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn 100% to 233% commissions. So if you don't want to start at $50 and miss all the money except for $50, okay, then you want to join at the $1,500 level. That's the sweet spot. Okay, that's 233% commissions right here, and you get qualified at the $3,500 level. That way, if a $5,000 sale comes in and you get in the 48-hour window, join at the $50 level, you get no upgrade. Join the $500 level, you get no upgrade. This is the 48-hour timer I was talking about right there. You can't miss it, okay? Join at the $1,500 level, get qualified at the $3,500 level. So that is a $2,000 potentially bonus. And most bonuses are PDFs that you'll never use, or training that you never use, or a pre-recorded webinar with, like a YouTube video, okay? That you'll never use, or you might use once and forget about it, okay? But these are, you get qualified at the monetary level of the next available thing. So, okay, let's say you join at $1,500 in the 48-hour window because you're an action taker, right? Now you can earn $50, $500, $1,500, $3,500. And yes, you could join the $50 level and get to the $5,000 level. But what you're missing here is the 48-hour bonus, right? And you're missing, you only get paid $50, okay? Here, you can get paid up to $3,500. You're only missing $1,500 and you get upgraded. You see the difference? That is huge leverage, okay? Yes, you can go from 50 to 5,000. Get in where you fit in, okay? But you are missing $4,950, okay? That's the difference, okay? But this is amazing. Like I said, either whatever you choose and whatever is best for you, get started, okay? Be an action taker and change your life potentially, okay? No matter where you get in, you can start making life-changing $5,000, $3,500, $1,500, $500, $50 commissions for every transaction, okay? And then another thing we do, which is totally unique, is we have the DFY call center. Okay, 100% automated commissions. Let your sponsor relax. Leverage our 100% free call center so you can start earning big. We make it easy for you. Okay, questions? Call 1-800-771-0769. Never pick up the phone. Yes, we handle all the customer support and questions for you so you can relax and wake up to $5,000 direct commissions over and over. The whole goal of the high ticket lifestyle is to get paid on complete autopilot, creating your financial freedom while we do all the hard work, selling, telling, coaching, and duplication for you. If you have questions, please call support and let your sponsor relax. Imagine our team closing massive big ticket commissions for you. So basically, somebody gets referred for you by watching your video, reading your blog, that we teach you how to do in the even the $50 level, okay? Get elite traffic, okay? From blogging like this, okay? You can get elite Google and YouTube traffic, and then somebody calls the number I showed you right here, right? And then they ask you who referred them. They tell them your name. Boom, you get paid to whatever payment processor you want. Really cool. And they do all the selling and telling for you. You don't have to do it, okay? Or they hit your autoresponder, okay? Really, really awesome and life-changing, okay? So, like I said, these are some, what happens when someone joins the higher level you? I kind of told you a roll-up. All commissions that an affiliate is not qualified for will roll up to the admin, not the next sponsor. Why? And how does that make you more money? Because any roll-up commissions will be counted towards your level qualification, allow you to sell one product and be qualified for that sole product level. Join for the $50 level, then sell a $3,500 level, and the difference of $3,450 to admin will actually qualify you for the gold $3,500 level. Rather than the roll-up going to your sponsor and not benefiting you, the roll-up actually gets put towards your high-ticket business qualification, allow you to move up the levels faster from only one sale. Okay. And here's the number of where to call if this happens to you. Okay, the faster you get all in, the sooner you are making all the money. 100% commissions at every level, the whole pie. Okay. Now, the 2026 high-ticket lifestyle leverage shift. Leverage is not a buzzword. It's the absolute dividing line between the working class and the wealthy elite. The leverage shift happens the moment you refuse to handle the heavy lifting of closing deals yourself. In the old paradigm, you were the bottleneck. Okay, most of you are not a marketer. Okay, you don't know how to market. You don't know how to answer questions. You don't know how to close. But that's done for you. Okay, I showed you. 1-800 call center, okay? In the old, if you weren't on the phone, the cash register was closed. The high-ticket lifestyle model completely obliterates the limitation by routing every single prospect through an institutional conversion engine. You acquire the traffic, drop the link, and let automated phone rooms and professional closers handle the conversion process. This is true sovereignty. Your business runs smoothly whether you're sitting at your desk or walking away to enjoy your afternoon, freeing you from the constant anxiety of manual selling, okay? And this is my picture, right? And I wanted to show you the YouTube video results before I forget, okay? Now, I'm going to search. You see this is incognito mode. This is legit, just like the YouTube results that I showed you, number 1 and number 2, incognito mode. Okay, I'm going to refresh again. Okay, number 1 and number 2, okay? Number 1 and number 2. And on YouTube, there's my video from 4 days ago. There's my video that hasn't even premiered yet. You'll see that right here. Okay, by the time you see this, it will. That's tomorrow's video, okay? It is number 2. And there's number 3. Part 3, okay? 3 YouTube videos. And then here's another one, okay? And another one. And another one. And another one. And another one bites the dust, right? Okay? I'm sure you've heard the song. It's very popular. But that's how it works. We teach you elite skills because we're not afraid to teach you what actually works and how you work. The high ticket lifestyle, what the product is training on how to blog, how to get leads, how to buy leads that are already pre-qualified, answered all the questions. If they're interested in a high ticket business, okay, they're interested in at least making $100 online or more, okay. And that's the $50 level. And the other products will teach you all kinds of different things, including how to take your money from one of these high ticket lifestyle sales and make more money with it. Okay, it teaches you how to trade crypto at a 90% win rate. Okay, that is elite training. Again, we're not scared to teach you how to rank your videos, how to rank your blogs, how to actually succeed. And the owner of the program will actually market with you Monday through Friday and help you get more people to your funnel or get into the call center, okay? How cool is that? And again, this is my high ticket lifestyle. Let's see the actual High Ticket Lifestyle Review 2026, 4 Brutal Profit Secrets. This is JJ Solley. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.